Everybody knows who I am. My name is Robert Brissett. Find me on Facebook. I hate all you Democrats.
Trump supporter Chad here is cuckoo.
Black lives don't matter. All lives matter. You look like a little pansy ass piece of
And he commits what is ruled a violent crime in the middle of a pandemic.
Oh, I'm so scared of your virus.
Makes it clear he thinks COVID-19 is a hoax.
You know what? I can charge you with assault for hitting me. I can charge you for assault for hitting me.
And in typical MAGA fashion, plays victim.
Bad enough you're knocking.
Hey, that's also assault for cops.
Yeah, you assaulted me first. You assaulted me first.
All on video, he initiated the argument, he violently coughed on people, and wrongly claims with no evidence he was assaulted first, and then marches back to his sunken place of emotions. A resident of Kanab, Utah, at a gas station, filling up his car, the man, identified as Robert Brissett, just couldn't resist confronting protesters. Brissett spewed the usual hateful, contrarian talking points. Black lives don't matter, all lives matter, which we have gone over previously.
Obviously, all lives matter. We are all people. Of course, we all matter. But are all of us, are all races getting routinely killed by the police for no reason other than the fact that they are black?
Exactly. As one user put it on Twitter, saying all lives matter is like running through a cancer fundraiser and saying there's other diseases too. And the reason they spew this sort of nonsense?
Critics calling it the dumbest answer at the Democratic debate. Before the candidates hit the stage, I said on the 5, my number one question would be, do black lives matter or do all lives matter?
It's because of Trump media.
All lives matter.
And the racist in chief himself. The phrase contradicts itself. Well-intentioned or not, it can be received as all lives already matter, which actually serves only to further defend the current state of inequality. One professor says, it would be fantastic if all lives mattered, but all lives are not valued equally. You don't have to know about black history, but instinctively, you have to understand that when people are saying black lives matter, it's because it's black lives that have been disproportionately suffering. Now, as for the coughing, considering the United States has lost nearly 220,000 people to this virus, here is what one attorney said. Typically, it's going to be treated as an assault, said Joel Holscher, an attorney in Texas. So we'll require that somebody coughing on another person intentionally, knowingly or recklessly, not an accidental cough, but intentionally coughing on somebody or placing them in fear of being coughed on, to be treated as an assault. Brissett still hasn't learned from his wrongdoings, and he probably won't. Here's what he said, and I quote, "Everybody knows who I am. My name is Robert Brissett. Find me on Facebook. I hate all you Democrats." Brissett said police charged him over the incident and was raising $10,000 for his defense. On Wednesday afternoon, before his GoFundMe was deleted, the page had only raised $50. In conclusion, womp, womp.